At the moment your situation is very difficult, stress, anxiety or conflicts, there comes a time when you need to walk away from the current situation, step back, stop fighting and recognize the limits of your own capabilities. Within 2 weeks, the situation will begin to change and there will be a good chance to open wonderful prospects, a successful opportunity to use your knowledge and abilities. You will make most of your concentration and take a practical approach to the matter without unnecessary sentimentality. The Empress card gives 100% that within a month the situation will develop and ends positively or stabilizes, and all negative external influences will disappear. In relationships, the tarot card speaks of sensuality and mutual care of each other. On the material plane, there is a period of monetary growth.